Volkswagen's smallest SUV is a big deal. The TAOS packs plenty of modern tech and safety features into a tidy package. It also has excellent passenger and cargo space. Smaller and more affordable than the automaker's Tiguan, the TAOS is sized and priced to compete against the likes of the Chevrolet Trailblazer. Subcompact crossovers like the Chevy Trailblazer are the Labrador Retrievers of the car world. Ubiquitous, affable members of the family. The Trailblazer is the smaller and more affordable alternative to Chevy's Blazer. A 137 horsepower turbocharged 3-cylinder is standard, while a 155 horsepower 3-banger is optional. Front-wheel drive models come with a continuously variable automatic transmission. The TAOS is impressive from the moment you sit inside. All TAOS models come standard with a digital instrument cluster that can be customized to display anything from the song that's playing to turn-by-turn directions, whether from the navigation system or from your phone via Apple CarPlay or Android Auto smartphone integration. We were surprised to find the TAOS, one of the larger SUVs in this diminutive class, is also one of the quickest. Credit goes to a fairly high-strung turbocharged 4-cylinder engine that whooshes and hisses its way to 60 miles per hour in a respectable 7.0 seconds.